This is abuse under federal law. It's also terrorism. It's also demonic. This is public corruption. And it is simultaneously demonic activity. This is the fake sun. And you have that oxymoron that the federal government is going to deal with regarding gang stalking so-called parents / guardians who are inflicting what is abuse upon the minors who are engaging in the satanic and mentally ill pattern of conduct, criminal activity with the U.S. government, in furtherance of murdering another person, sexually violating another person, terrorizing another person. And while they are put in those circumstances to engage in that, they will be prosecuted as terrorists who are also abusing minors. This is moreover more probative. Is relevant to the entity that is gang stalking. I am here just the other day at 8:35 in the morning, and here is at the OVITT Family Community Library. And at 8:35 in the morning, when I'm standing at the same location, you are looking at stalkers. When I'm referring to the demons that are congregating at a gang stalking Catholic church, which is the State's Church at 8:35, when they are pacing, getting out of the blue van and crossing path, walking in opposite directions, doing so at the same C Street turn circle, you're understanding the significance of that fake sun, understanding the significance of the illusion, which is not sunlight, it's engineer light, and those that are present, demons that are always studying their devices as well. These are the bots, these are the zombies, these are the living dead that are engaging in criminal activity. These are vagina monitors as well, and this is what they are focused while also keeping your genitalia under surveillance, monitoring you, stalking you conspicuously, doing so where you also know the government is maintaining surveillance. Where the fake sun is where the government is maintaining unlawful surveillance that it has not engaged in and practiced with the consent of the American people. Where the entity is gang stalking under a fake sun, so are the people of the state. And it is a state system, and this is the exact same location where I'm at 8:35 in the morning when I'm reminding you about being in Fontana, California at Spring Street and Sierra, where the downtown Ontario luxury apartments are simultaneously prosecuted as engaging in that surveillance system where the people of the state reside. Engaging in what is vicarious criminal conduct, where they are not coincidentally sharing that pattern of conduct, that demon possession, that ongoing course of conduct showing that surveillance by the demon possessed are underway. The entity is not simultaneously and coincidentally engaging in the pattern of conduct inside of the buildings, the venues, where they are stalking in the path in the engineer light and everyone's ignorant about it. This is supernatural. This is a demonic environment, and these are the mentally ill who are demon possessed. And that is captured within the P.O.C. where there are no police officers. These are the demon possessed. These are homegrown terrorists who have been engaged in criminal surveillance like the Ontario Police Department have shown you during the day and at night. And they are the demon possessed, and this is that beast system. And in Ontario, California, they shall be made an example of regarding the protection of American citizens' national security, which relies upon disbanding the Ontario Police, placing such domestic terrorists in prison, and making sure that they are subject to the mental examinations that are necessary in order to protect the public. That's the same with those that are gang stalking the commercial airline companies that are engaging in terrorism in your face, and you are unaware and ignorant about the significance of what they are actually doing while they maintain brands and logos and a business profiting from domestic terrorism. This is P.O.C. It is currently 6:26 p.m. where I'm at the same OVITT Family Community Library at 8:35 a.m. where I'm juxtaposing that scene with what is captured in Fontana, where the people of the state are engaging in conspicuous surveillance, and this is impunity, and they're doing so while they have been keeping the evidence, exposing them and prosecuting them under surveillance, and not ceasing to engage in that terrorism. And that is communicating to you who are witnessing this an unlawful threat to you as American citizens, and you who are abroad. These commercial airline companies are flying in and out of your countries as well. This is P.O.C. It is currently 6:27 p.m.